Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry it has taken so long to get up a new video. I've been really busy trying to get into the swing of things because summer's over, so my fall schedule is even crazier than my summer schedule, so please forgive me for taking so long to get up a new video. But today I have for you my August favorites. I'm really excited to share these with you guys because they are the last favorites of the summer, and next month I will be doing fall favorites. So I'm very excited about that because I am so ready for fall. It's still kind of warm where I am right now, but you can tell that summer's on its way out, and I'm sorry for all of you summer lovers out there, but I am super excited for fall. So I'm gonna share with you my August favorites today, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I have, I'm gonna try to not be random in this video because I know how random I can be. I've been using them quite a bit, and this one's called Menace by Buxom, however you say that. And it's just like this really pretty, not necessarily maroony, it's like a dark fuchsia color, and it's really nice. I got it like last year in this like holiday book set thing that had like 6 different lipsticks, and it was great. I really like it. The next one that I've been wearing is, I'm sure you guys have heard this one, and this one's called Ruby Woo. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's super matte, very drying, and I don't like that about it, but otherwise I really like the color and I think it's absolutely gorgeous and perfect for the fall. But I've been kind of incorporating it into the end of summer looks because I really like this, so I've been definitely wearing that in August. And then my last and final lipstick that I have been like killing, like wearing all the time, is Max Media, and it's this like dark purpley maroony color, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. It's definitely my favorite. I am going to need to buy a new one soon for sure because I wear it so much. Next thing that I have is this Lorac Front of the Line Pro Liquid Eyeliner, and this liner just makes it super easy for you to do any kind of lined looks or anything like that. It's very precise. You can do thin lines, thick lines, whatever you want, and it's just great. It lasts throughout the day and I love it. The next thing that I have is 2 eye products or eyebrow products. I have the Great Lash, the clear mascara from Maybelline. Forgive my dog who's in the background making noise. I have Great Lash mascara by Maybelline, and I really like this to set my eyebrows in place. It acts like a clear gel. It's super cheap and it works great. It keeps my eyebrows in place all day. Is actually the Scandaleyes. I did not like this really much when I first reviewed it because it's so big and cumbersome. The wand makes it really hard to put on your lower lashes, but I've been really loving it this past month because it's, I don't know, for the upper lash, I've been doing a lot more looks where it's just like really full upper lashes and not very defined lower lashes, so I really like this because it's really great for your upper lashes. It's just a pain in the butt to put on your lower ones, so I've loved it. Anyway, the last makeup-y item I have is the Sonia Kashuk blending brush. And Sonia Kashuk is like drugstore, high-end drugstore, I don't even know what you call it, but Sonia Kashuk is the bomb. Like this brush, a lot of my other brushes, they have like fallout or they'll leave bristles on your face, and I literally hate that so much. So I've really enjoyed this one. I've had it actually for a while now, and it's definitely my go-to crease brush. On to the randoms. So as far as body care goes, you guys know I am obsessed with body care. I have like so many different body care products and I really need to like curb it. I have not bought any new makeup, but like I have bought like new body care things. So I definitely want to also set myself at a limit for that too, because I set myself on a limit for makeup and that's been actually really good. I've been doing really good keeping to my budget and blah blah, and now I need to do it for body care. Anyway, so I have this True Blue Spa Cracked Heel Treatment. This stuff is great, like so good. It's like this creamy pomade. It goes on your feet and just helps your feet not to be like dry and crusty, because I do not like that feeling. I don't know about you guys, but I hate that feeling of dry crustiness. I got this from Bath & Body Works and it just works like a dream. Next thing that I have that's actually also from Bath & Body Works is the Pumpkin Spice Latte Nourishing Hand Cream. I love having soft hands and I love when my hands smell like food. I know that's kind of weird. And now that it's going into fall, the Pumpkin Spice Latte is like the lotion to have. And I also have another one that's called Pumpkin Cupcake or something like that. It also smells really good. This is also from Bath & Body Works and it smells amazing. Next thing I have is actually from Trader Joe's. I had to replace this and buy another one. And it's the oil-free antioxidant facial moisturizer, which is actually really, really good. And it moisturizes your skin so nicely. It doesn't have any parabens in it, which is really important because I've been really learning a lot more about parabens, which are horrible for your skin. So it's great to find something that doesn't have parabens in it. As far as body care goes, the last thing I have that I've been definitely using a lot is the Dove Go Sleeveless Soothing Chamomile Deodorant. Because I don't know, I used to really like the powder one from Dove, and now anytime you like sweat, because I've been working out and trying to work out, blah blah blah, anytime you sweat you smell like an over like powder, like you smell like powder, and I don't really desire to smell like baby butts, so clean baby butts. The last thing that I have as far as body care hand products go is this Bath & Body Works. I think this is from last season, but this has been the soap that's been in my bathroom. It's called Heartland Harvest Marmalade. Definitely reminds me of autumn and fall, and it's just citrusy and wonderful, and I love it. And this is the deep cleansing one, which has like the little beads in it, which as far as my favorite book goes, I've been actually reading The Guardians of Ga'Hoole, and this book was made into a movie. I think it was called The Guardians of Ga'Hoole. I don't know what it was called, but the book is actually really good. I just found out that the author actually lives pretty close to here, so that's really exciting. And I really like this book because I do like to read young adult books and like children's books, so I like this because, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, but I want to be published as a children's / young adult author one day, so yeah. I've been reading this and really liking it. It is awesome. Last thing as far as my favorites go, cone cups that I got from Christmas tree shops. These you bake just like this and they come out the shape of pumpkins, which is really, really cool. I've been making like little egg quiches or cupcakes in them, and they're so adorable and so easy to use, and they don't melt in the oven, so they are great, and I really like them because they get you in the mood for fall like subtly, so I love it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to just be yourselves. Also, if you're wondering why I'm looking a little strange right now, it's because I have contacts in. I'm starting to film my tutorials for October / Halloween, so I have the circle lenses in, which actually aren't that different. It's just my eye is a little lighter brown than it usually. If you guys want to know where I got these from, it's Pinky Paradise, and I will put the link in the description box below. Don't forget to just be yourselves. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!